If you already have a Kraken account, use Fast Connect to sign up for 3Commas and link Kraken in a couple of clicks. That's the easiest. If you don't have a Kraken account yet, sign up via the link in the description or directly on Kraken. If you're already on 3Commas, nice. You can connect Kraken anytime from my portfolio section. If you want to trade futures with Kraken, you will need to connect it separately by providing API keys. We have a step-by-step guide to do it. And last but not least, 3Commas is an official Kraken partner. Remember one thing, with 3Commas you can trade only. No fund withdrawals are possible. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up your first trading bot that follows your rules. Cheers.